Today we will see how we can create a 3D frame. For that, first we have to decide the size, for what size you want to create that particular model. So I am giving the width as 200, and height as 300. Okay, then I can give it center or any corner also, no problem. Then I can create it. I'm just giving center for time being. Okay, so here what kind of border you want, that you have to create the cross section for that border. So you know that in my classes you can see how to create vectors. So according to the vectors you can decide which kind of border you want. And this I'm creating a simple border for you. Okay, you can make it more complicated and more beautiful type of things. Here you can also give some kind of if I want to make it more smooth, I can just insert for some points. So this is the way we can do. If I make it smooth, so it will be more comfortable. Okay, smooth, and can make it just like this also. So I can do smooth here also, but what happens, it changed that geometry. So I don't want to make any changes in other places, so I just want to keep it smooth only to this place. So I can use this command, or I can make it as arc also, so that it will be, see, this can be an arc. So that arc also you can create, so it will be better that way also. Make it smooth, it will be a little better. Okay, and here also if you want, you can do like that, or you can keep it sharp, or here also you can do some smooth work. So you can if you want, you can delete it also, and you can make it arc, and you can pull that arc, so that you'll get smooth effect there also. So this is the cross section of the border I want to create. And here what I have to do is that I have to create that size, what size the border should be there. The border can be like some 10 mm or 12 mm, like that, the border size. So for that you have to change the border size, the width of the border. You just want to create it for 10 mm. So automatically the height is changed. If you want to change the height, you can unlock the aspect ratio and do that, as I have already explained in my classes. So the tutorial is there. So if you join as a member, you can learn more things from there. Those videos, you can access those videos, and you can learn lot many things. So this is the thing. And this is the border. So border size. Okay, so here what I want one more where I want the border. So accordingly how to create one more. Maybe I can do it with rectangle. Okay, so I just create this border with the rectangle type. So for this I give the size. So actually I have given 200 there, so I will give 180 here. And height I will give another 20 mm less than the 300, so 280 here. Okay, so create, and then I bring it to the center. And now if I want to do some this is an arc or like that, I can do that also. Here I want to make it as an arc, so that way also I can create as an arch. So here now I change the size. Now I make it as here the height as 280. Okay, so it will come down. Apply it. So 280, and I want to change the aspect ratio. I want to keep this 180 itself. Okay, so apply it. So you got this. Now you can again bring to the center. So now this is the thing. Here now you can apply this border, so that we can use one of the commands from 3D for that. And here how we can do this. So you can select the border. I want to bring the border inside so that you can see the arrow inside, and I can select the cross section. So you can select it here, so you can see the border. So now you have the border, 3D border is there. So you can even, what is that, toggle here, zero plane. No, you can see this kind of border has been created. So you can see the border here, the height is more in the center. So in case if you want to flip it, you can flip it by just reversing the direction. So now you can see inside you have the steps. Inside you have less height, and outside you have more height, like that. So you can work like that. Now you have a sharp edge here, that also you can change by here the kind of border you want, that you can decide from here. You can make it sharp also here. So if you want, you can make it sharp. And one more thing you have to see is that the height should be in the same level. Both should be same level. If you want to make this a little bit of smooth, then you can also go for smooth. So automatically that also will change the update. It automatically update there also. So you will get like this, and you can apply and cancel. So you can see this is the kind of border that we can create. Now you can import any 3D image and put it inside. So to the height of the border. So you have to check the height of the border. Here it is 5.89. So same 3D height image, 3D relief you can paste inside, and you can finish your work. Okay, so hope that this small exercise help you in some other way, and hope that if you want to access more videos and systematic classes, I have inside the membership. Join as a member, and you can watch those videos and learn more. And if you have any doubt, you can put in the comments. Thank you very much.